So hi everyone, welcome to another video of VIEH Job Search series. So here we'll know about one more opening. So let's get a little bit more information of this video. So the job role is there is a company who is looking for a VAPT person, and the company name is basically Logic, which is somewhere. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more information about this job opening, about who is they hiring for and what are the experience they required. So first thing, they are looking for a cybersecurity expert, those who have and should have a vulnerability assessment knowledge along with the pen testing, IT security, risk management, and some tools which is related to ISO security as well. They want a person who should have cyber threat intelligence knowledge, uh, parallelly with the incident response, security compliances, network security, and a cloud security as well. If you have some additional certificate with you, that will be a plus point, and that will actually work as a plus point when you get selected in this company or at the time of interview actually. So for whom? And there are two openings. First opening is for the person those who are having 3 to 5 years of experience, and another is for the person those who are having 1 to 3 years of experience. Now, how to apply for this job? So if you want more information about this job role, or if you want to apply for this job role, if you think you're fulfilling all the criteria, then you can just drop a mail to vimlendjyotiwari@appslogic.com along with your resume or whatever query you have. So that's all. Practice makes it perfect. If you want to learn more about cybersecurity, you can join our training or internship program. And that's all being said. Keep learning, don't give up. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.